This pig produces a special milk filled with natural vitamins and proteins. She has multiple teats on her belly, and all it takes for her hungry litter of piglets to get their fill is to find a place in mother's trough. The care of animal babies falls to the mother. She feeds and nurtures and teaches her little ones how to survive. But the father can be very important too. Dad is often the one responsible for the safety of his family, or even of the whole group. He guards against predators, he hunts for food, he oversees the welfare of his mate and offspring. He will often fight to the death to protect them. Do animal mothers love their babies? You betcha. These two macaque mothers cuddle and stroke their infants. They groom their babies, picking out bits of dirt or insects from their coats, showing their love with their caressing touch. Even marmosets are just as affectionate with their little ones. Hey, are there two babies in there? Yes, the pygmy marmosets are the smallest primate on the planet, and nearly always have twins. These tiny babies are completely dependent on their mother for the first 2 weeks of their lives. They cling to their mother's fur and wonder just what's out there in the big world. After 2 months, these little guys can travel independently. But pygmy marmosets have very close-knit families. And even when they're grown up and on their own, they tend to live nearby. This magnificent lowland gorilla is one of the biggest primates in the world. But here, she's just mom. Her youngster is her pride and joy, and it shows. After 3 months or so, he starts to crawl around on his own, though he prefers to ride on his mom's back, piggyback style. He will stay by his mother's side for as long as 4 years.